can't let you stay out here pickpocketing people. So let's go return this to that guy, and then we can go.
Later! What's up, loser?
What do you want, Kyle?
I smell you from a mile away. You smell disgusting. You smell like a burnt tire mixed with a baby's diaper. Why don't you shower? I'm just messing with you. I saw you over here. I thought I'd do something nice for a change. Here, I bought these for you. Psych! That's what you get for being poor. Right, sister? You're such a loser.
Hey, are you all right?
Please help me, mister. Anything will help.
Wait a minute. You're not living out here on your own, are you? Where's your family?
I don't know.
What are you doing for money? How do you actually survive? Wow, I feel awful just leaving you here.
Do you have any money?
Well, let me see. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, shoot. Listen, I'm really in a rush. Here you go.
Thank you, mister.
Yeah.
Wait. Can you help me out with something?
Sure. No problem. What do you need?
My Barbie's head is broken.
Hmm.
Can you fix it? I'm not strong enough.
Sure. Yeah, I can get this for you.
There you go. You
Oh,
almost got it.
Let's make
Give
this
it a
quick.
real tight
Hey, listen, I got it. Good as new. There you go.
squeeze. Thank you, mister.
Oh, boy. Hey, listen, I wish I had more money for you.
It's all right. Next time.
You know stealing is a crime, right?
I didn't steal this money. That man gave it to me.
Uh-huh. Let me guess, he gave you his wallet too, huh? Hey, whoa. Hey, what do you think you're doing, huh? What are you, nuts, running from the cops already? Come here, stand over here. How old are you?
I'm 7.
What are you doing here all by yourself? Where are your parents?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Where'd you come from?
A stork?
What are you, a runaway?
My parents are dead. They died when I was younger.
Is that the truth? What's your name?
Symphony.
Symphony what?
Symphony Walker.
Dispatch, can you do a search on a Symphony Walker, 7-year-old female? Check the foster care database, could be a possible runaway.
No! Don't!
What? What's wrong?
I don't want to go back to foster care. My parents are mean to me. They burn their cigarettes on my arms.
Is that the truth? I can't let you stay out here pickpocketing people. So let's go return this to that guy, and then we can go.
Later.
Oh. Okay.
Hey, loser. See you moved to a new spot. Oh, too bad you still smell like a dinosaur's poop mixed with rotting cheese. I'm talking to you, loser.
Hey, that's mine.
What are you gonna do about it? You're homeless and you're poor. Nobody's gonna help you. Maybe you could call your parents to help you out. Oh, that's right. You don't have any. Grab her bag, Tanya. Holy cow, how much money's in here? I may be able to get the PlayStation 5 and a new bike. Thanks for the money, loser. Come on, let's get out of here. What?
Get over here. Looks like it's just you and me, kid. By my count, you got attempted robbery, you got assault of a minor. I'd say that's about 5 years in juvenile hall, wouldn't you?
We were just joking around. I don't want to go to jail.
I think you owe this little lady an apology. Whoa, hey, easy, come on, don't do that. She accepts your apology. Now, why don't you run home before I call your parents?
And don't ever come back.
Where'd you learn to kick like that?
My dad. He said never to let anyone bully me, especially a guy.
Well, he taught you pretty well. You want this? If I give this back to you, you're gonna run away? Look, I'm not gonna chase you, but I can't in good conscience let you stay out here. It's not safe and you're too young.
I can't go back to foster care. I'd rather stay out here forever than to go back to my foster parents.
You know, I grew up in foster care.
Really?
Yeah, I was fortunate enough to have good parents raise me. It's part of the reason why I became a cop. I wanted to give back to my community. I wanted to help people. But I know what it's like to grow up without real parents. So I understand what you're going through. I'll tell you what, Symphony. I can't let you stay out here, but if you come with me, I promise my wife and I will do everything in our power to adopt you through the foster care system. We've always wanted to have a little lady such as yourself to raise. Not to mention, I coach a little girls' soccer team, and with a kick like yours, I think we got a new forward on our hands.